Have you ever wondered how you can turn your creativity into a steady stream of income? What if I told you that you could create and sell amazing digital products using just one tool, Canva? Today, we're looking into 20 digital products that you can easily create in Canva and sell online. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or expand your current business offerings, these ideas will spark your entrepreneurial spirit. But before we start, if you want to try Canva Pro, use my link in the description to try Canva Pro for free. Also, don't forget to claim your 40 free listings with Etsy with the link below. Now let's get started. Ebooks are a fantastic way to share your knowledge or tell a story. Canva offers a plethora of ebook templates that make it super easy to design a professional-looking book. You can write about anything from self-help tips and how-to guides to fiction stories. Once created, you can sell your ebook on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or directly through your website. The best part? Ebooks have a high profit margin since there are no printing costs involved. Workbooks are interactive tools that help users achieve specific goals or learn new skills. Canva's drag and drop interface allows you to create engaging workbooks that include exercises, prompts, and worksheets. These are perfect for coaches, educators, or anyone who wants to provide a structured learning experience. Printables like planners, calendars, and checklists are always in demand. They help people stay organized and productive. Canva has numerous templates for daily planners, weekly calendars, meal planning sheets, and more. You can customize these templates to suit different themes or audiences. Social media thrives on visuals, making high-quality graphics crucial for capturing attention. Canva allows you to design a wide range of social media templates, such as Instagram posts, Facebook banners, and Pinterest pins. These templates can be customized for various niches or businesses, ensuring a consistent and appealing online presence. A cohesive brand identity is crucial for businesses, and you can help them achieve this by creating branding kits. These kits can include logos, color palettes, typography guides, and social media templates. Canva makes it easy to design all these elements in one place. Once completed, you can offer branding kits to startups, small businesses, or influencers looking to elevate their brand image. With the rise of online learning, there's a growing demand for visually appealing course materials. Canva allows you to design course slides, handouts, and worksheets that enhance the learning experience. Create templates that educators can customize for their own content. These materials can be sold on educational platforms or bundled with your own courses. Infographics are a powerful way to convey information quickly and effectively. Canva offers a variety of infographic templates that you can customize with your own data and design. These can be used for blog posts, social media, presentations, and more. Create infographics for different industries or topics and sell them as standalone products or part of a larger content package. Digital invitations are perfect for weddings, birthday parties, and corporate events. They're both convenient and eco-friendly. Canva offers a variety of templates for all kinds of invitations, which you can easily customize with unique designs and details. Provide these invitations as editable files, allowing your customers to personalize them for their special occasions. Print-on-demand services have made it easier than ever to sell custom merchandise. You can create designs for t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, and more using Canva. These designs can be uploaded to print-on-demand sites like Teespring, Redbubble, or Printful, where customers can purchase products featuring your artwork. This way, you can focus on creating while the platform handles printing and shipping. Businesses always need marketing materials like flyers, brochures, and posters. Canva's templates make it simple to design professional-looking marketing collateral. You can create these materials for specific industries or events and sell them as customizable templates. This is a great way to help businesses promote themselves while earning an income from your designs. Creative professionals often need a way to showcase their work. Canva allows you to design stunning portfolio templates that artists, photographers, designers, and other creatives can use to present their projects. You can offer these templates as digital downloads and in different styles and formats. Job seekers are always looking for ways to stand out, and a well-designed resume can make a big difference. Canva offers numerous resume and CV templates that you can customize with different layouts and styles. Create templates for various professions and industries, and you can sell them as digital downloads. This not only helps job seekers, but also provides you with a steady income stream. Email marketing remains a vital tool for businesses, and an eye-catching newsletter template can significantly enhance engagement. With Canva, you can create newsletter templates that are both customizable and user-friendly. These templates can be marketed to businesses aiming to elevate their email marketing strategies. Provide templates for various newsletter needs, such as product announcements and company news. Canva's animation features allow you to create eye-catching animated graphics for social media. These can be used for promotions, announcements, or just to grab attention. Design templates for animated posts that businesses and influencers can use to enhance their social media presence. Sell these templates individually or as part of a social media kit. Professionals and educators often need high-quality presentation templates. Canva's extensive range of templates makes it easy to create polished and engaging presentations. You can design templates for business pitches, educational lectures, or creative showcases. Weddings involve a lot of planning, and you can help couples stay organized with wedding planning materials. Canva allows you to design checklists, schedules, and planning guides that cover every aspect of wedding preparation. Offer these materials as digital downloads or part of a comprehensive wedding planning kit. Journaling is a popular practice for personal reflection and growth. Canva enables you to create printable journal pages that cater to different themes, such as gratitude, goal setting, or mindfulness. Design these pages with appealing layouts and prompts. You can sell them as individual downloads or in bundles on platforms like Etsy. Food bloggers and cooking enthusiasts often seek attractive ways to share their recipes. Canva's templates make it easy to design visually appealing recipe cards. Create cards with space for ingredients, instructions, and photos. You can offer these as digital downloads or printable sets. Checklists are versatile tools for organization and productivity. You can design checklists for various purposes, such as travel packing, event planning, or daily tasks. Canva's user-friendly interface allows you to create checklists with different styles and themes. People love learning new things, and guides or tutorials are a great way to share your expertise. Canva allows you to create how-to guides or tutorials on any topic, packaged as PDFs. These can include step-by-step instructions, illustrations, and tips. And there you have it, 20 amazing digital products you can create in Canva and sell online. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, Canva's intuitive tools make it easy to bring your ideas to life. So what are you waiting for? Dive into Canva, start creating, and turn your creativity into a profitable venture. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas on digital products, creativity, and entrepreneurship. Also, let us know in the comments which digital product you're excited to create. See you in the next video.